What's up, everybody? Nature appreciation post. I'm gonna get my head out of this. I got a shirt on today. It's not beach weather today, but still so appreciative for what I get to look at here and what I get to show you guys. So I'm gonna be quiet for a second, and if you're down, appreciate nature with me for a second. Tried to escape. Okay, back to being quiet, Check out these waves. Beautiful. Love sharing the planet with you guys. Have waves in Miami. Today we actually have some surfers out here. So beautiful. The planet that we share is so beautiful. So what I made sure to do, because I've been appreciating the fact that the temperature is a little bit lower today. I looked out my balcony and I see the red flag right here, which means that the water is a little bit rough. So I knew it wasn't going to be a beach day. So I've gotten so much done today, productivity-wise, indoors. Just appreciating being able to. Wow, we never have waves like this. I have tomorrow's podcast already ready to go. Tomorrow's Enlightened Conversation. I'm already ready. I may put out 2 tomorrow. Who wants me to put out 2 podcasts tomorrow? I have 4 recorded from this week. And I have 6 scheduled already to record next week with awesome humans. All of you guys are so awesome. I may either put out 2 tomorrow, or maybe I'll put out 1 Sunday, and then Monday's a holiday. Happy Veterans Day. Appreciate all you guys. You guys can see me running away from these waves. So I'm gonna put out some love and light for you guys here in the next couple of days for sure. Awesome, enlightened conversations. Thank you for you guys that are supporting the podcast and have been enjoying it, that are subscribed to it. Search for Enlightened Conversations on anything, any podcast platform, iTunes, Spotify, YouTube, anything. It's everywhere. EnlightenedConversations.org takes you directly to iTunes page. Having so much fun in life right now, just spreading love and light with all you guys. Appreciate all of you guys out there. Just wanted to come share this little bit of nature with you. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weekend wherever you are in the world. sending positive vibes to you all. I greatly appreciate you. He's a savage. You swimming in this. This is definitely not Noel swim weather. Oh, he's coming in now. He's heading up. How far back the waves are going. You guys are awesome. Sending you guys positive vibes. Have an amazing rest of your weekend. Expect awesome things to happen, awesome synchronicities, like we've been talking about. And that is what your life experience will be. I'll put my big head in the camera again before I go. Smile, say bye to you guys. Oh my God. And if the liquid shows I'm not crying, my eyes are just watering out here with this, the wind blowing in my face. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have an amazing day.